Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda Shadow Aero 750. Beautiful VTwin classic styling, awesome black and red two-tone paint scheme. This one's got the little windscreen. Wait till you get a look at this paint, it's beautiful. Shaft drive, liquid cooled. What does this one have? Only 8,000 miles. Solo saddle. If you want to ride two up, you can get yourself a back seat. Come on by, make your midweight cruiser dreams come true with this beautiful 25-inch seat height Shadow Aero for just $39.99. Financing might be a little tough on a bike of this age, but she is low mileage and beautiful, ready to go. Come on by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.